This is the HYCHIKA electric screwdriver set, so you can see me using it. As it gets tight, it stops automatically, so that's kind of nice. You can also do it manually if you need to, so it's a cool design for a screwdriver. You can see it here in the box. It does come with a manual, and obviously the screwdriver set has its own case. So on the first level, you get the screwdriver itself with all the bits, and then underneath you have other tools that you might need for prying open different things or whatnot. But here you can have a good look at the screwdriver itself. Really simple design, nice set all together. Comes with everything you need for most jobs that you would need to repair. So a closer look at some of these. Just to take out the bit, you just kind of lift it up and pull it out, and then you've got that, and it goes in magnetically, so that's kind of nice. And then you got forward and reverse, kind of simple, just like any other electric screwdriver you would see. Comes with a lot of bits, so it works for just about any kind of PC or small electronics device you would need. It also charges via USB-C, which is really nice because that's all I have lying around my house, so it's really easy to charge. You can use it while it's charging as well. But overall, it does a nice fast job, and it's really nice because it makes it so that you don't over tighten things, but you do things to the right amount. I also like that you can see me here doing it manually. Some instances I just prefer to do it manually just to have that extra bit of control. It's nice that you have that option to do it. It works well either manually or electronically. Overall, it's a really nice screwdriver set. I did get this for free to do this review. I have no issues with it. I haven't had anything go wrong with it or anything like that. I do wish it was maybe a little bit faster, but as it is, it works really well. It's a great set for anyone to have.